Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, I have a Miu Miu unboxing. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a luxury Miu Miu handbag unboxing. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider click the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I'm so excited to be bringing you this unboxing because if you have been on this channel for any length of time in the past year or so, you have heard me talk about this bag because it is a wish list bag. I am finally taking this off my wish list. I've wanted this for so long, it feels like, and I'm so excited. Again, if you have been here, you probably already know what bag this is. So I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. Now, I have already seen the bag. I haven't used it. I didn't even take it out of its packaging, but I did look at it just to inspect everything. But if you want to see my full uncut original reaction, then it will be on the vlog. So I have no idea which one is coming out first, this video or the vlog, whichever one it is. If the vlog's already out, then I'll have a link down below so you can see my genuine reaction. Either way, here is the box. Let me know in the comments what you think this bag is. Again, if you are a subscriber, if you have been subscribed for a little bit, or if you've seen my videos, you probably know what this is. And I just feel so happy that I was even able to get this because it's been a long time coming. I feel like this bag is just so hard to find. So here's this. So here's how it came. They gave me a cute little blue dust bag. I'm not sure what this is for, but I like it. It's very cute. And then I also have this little envelope right here, which I assume is just the receipt. Yeah, return instructions. This is what this is. But I do not plan to return this bag. This bag is going to be one that I definitely am keeping. So there's that. I'll just put that here. And then, like I said, we got a cute little blue dust bag. I don't know why they gave us this, but I'll take it. It's really cute. And then we have the piece de resistance. Here's the cute little Miu Miu packaging. This is my first ever Miu Miu bag as well. I have Miu Miu shoes. I did buy Miu Miu sunglasses. I have those. I love those. But this is my first ever Miu Miu bag and I am just so excited about it. It's a really popular bag. I feel like it's one of Miu Miu's most popular styles right now. My goodness, I can't open it. Okay. So here it is. Here is the cute pink Miu Miu dust bag. And again, this is as far as, well, I saw the bag, but I haven't taken off any of the accessories or the wrapping around it. That's still on. So you can see all of that. Guys, are you seeing this right now? Look, it's perfect. It's literally perfect in every way, shape, and form. So this is the Miu Miu Arcy bag, and it's in the suede in the cocoa brown color. I'm hyperventilating because I just cannot get over this bag. It's so beautiful. And also one of my biggest things that I was worried about when buying this bag is that I was worried that the Miu Miu logo right here was not going to be center. I was so scared that I was going to get one that was crooked or off center, but this is damn near perfect. It's pretty perfect. When it comes to centering. So I'm so glad. This color is everything. It is the perfect chocolate brown. I don't have anything in my collection that's this color. I am physically obsessed. So let me take all this off because I haven't done that yet. So here's this now. Look. It's so cute. And then it has, of course, these little things that keep the handles together. Oh, how do I get this off? This does come off, I imagine, right? Oh yeah, there we go. And then I don't usually use these. I don't find a need for them. So I'm probably just gonna put this back on and then just kind of move it to the side. And I just have it kind of off to the side like this. So now we have our two little top handle straps. And then I'm gonna take off the packaging on the little pull tassels. So here's this one. Oh, I'm undoing it, oopsie. Okay. Oh my God, it is stuffed. I knew it was stuffed in here, but is there like a second dust bag? I love so much, you don't even understand. I love the fact that there's two zippers. I think that cute little detail is amazing. Also, I need to like take this tag off because I'm not returning this. Like this bag is absolutely perfect. Look, are you kidding me? Like I know I'm probably being super annoying, but I'm so happy. And I love that there's two zipper pulls. And yeah, this bag is really stuffed. Here's the crossbody strap. Man, I just love Miu Miu. Like all the attention to detail is amazing. Like if you order something from, I love Louis Vuitton, but like their attention to detail at this point is like non-existent. I'm so happy that Miu Miu and like Prada still has this amazing attention to detail. So here is the crossbody strap. It's got two gold little alligator clasps or like claw clasps. And then the strap is also suede and it is removable and adjustable, of course. So there's that. And then the inside, there's like a ton of stuffing in here. So when you take out all the stuffing, you can really see how like squishy the bag is, because the bag is not like, it is structured, but it's not like insanely structured. So like if I had all of my stuff in here, it would probably be a little bit more like, I don't know, loosey, but I can like squish it and like play with it a bit. But here is what it looks like on the inside. Just like a fabric lining on the inside. And then it does say Miu Miu right back there, if you can see that. And then it does have one zipper pocket, which is really nice. My goodness, this bag is just great. Oh yeah, and here's all of the other goodies. So it has, I guess this is like the SKU. It like tells us about the bag. And then it has this, which I guess is like a code, like a scanner thing. Not a scanner, but like a chip. Maybe there's like a chip inside here somewhere. And here's more paperwork. But yeah, you have a tiny little slip pocket back there. The zipper is really, really buttery. Yeah, that is the bag. I will quickly do like a what fits in here. Of course, my phone will definitely fit. It's in there. Look at that. Definitely will fit, no problem. Let me go grab some scissors to cut this tag off. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So I went ahead and I cut off the tag. So it's no longer on here. And I have my current bag right here. I just wanted to show you the color difference. Number one, this one is a smooth leather, but I just wanted to show you the color difference. Let's see what fits inside here, because this bag is kind of small, but it's very spacious on the inside. So I feel like we're not gonna have any issues fitting a pretty decent amount of stuff in this bag. So I have my mini pochette accessoire. Just put that down first right there. Oh, maybe, I don't know if this bag can fit as much as I thought. I have my card holder. This is from the Murakami collection from Louis Vuitton. So let's see. Okay, well those two things fit. I honestly thought this was gonna have way bigger capacity. It's actually not as big as I was expecting. I mean, it's not bad. I'm never gonna hate this bag. I love this bag with all my heart. But that's pretty much all I can fit like that way. I can still fit more stuff on the sides over here, but I mean, obviously I'd be able to fit more if I didn't have, like this is kind of chunky for a card holder. So let me take this stuff out of my mini pochette. So we all know that my phone fits, so I don't need to put that in there. We've got my wallet, and then I'll put my sunglasses because those will definitely fit. And then I can put my mirror here. I can put, oh, I don't have my AirPods, but I know they would fit. But I do have like my headache medication. I've got my hand sanitizer, and then I have my mirror in here, of course. And then my phone still could fit. Let me just throw it in here just so you can see. It'll fit in the back here. So here's all my stuff in here, and it's like pretty nicely kind of Tetrised in there. And let me see if it will close. 100%. Look at that. Fits everything that I needed to. And it doesn't look like, it does look full. Maybe I wouldn't carry all of this with me, but it doesn't look like wonky. It doesn't look like it's lopsided or anything. And also, one thing I wanted to show you is that it has feet. Can you believe a luxury fashion house is giving us feet on our bags? Revolutionary. I think that all fashion houses, all luxury fashion houses on everything should be giving us feet on our bags. And then let me clip on, I guess this is where the crossbody strap goes. And then the other is on this side. Now I'll probably have to shorten this strap because I feel like it's very long right now. So I'll probably put it to the shortest setting, but here it is when you have the crossbody strap on. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Are you joking? I'm obsessed. I'm physically obsessed. I'm unwell. I love this bag so much. I'm so happy that I finally have her. She fits a ton as well. I just think it's perfect. The only thing that's gonna be a bummer is that I'm not gonna be able to wear this here in the next couple of months. I will be wearing this in February, mark my words, even though February is like pink month because it's Valentine's, I'm still gonna be wearing this in February. I am going to wear this as much as I possibly can up until spring, because after winter, when it really gets into spring, I won't be able to really wear this until fall again. So I'm definitely gonna get some use out of her before I have to put her away for a little while. Guys, I love her so much. Let me know what you think of the Miu Miu Arcady bag. Let me know if you like it in the suede or if you prefer it in the leather. Let me know if you also have one or if you're adding one to your wish list, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything because I'm nosy now to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!